In this video, we're going to see how we can free spaces on our Mac by removing junk files, and it is very important. I'm just in love with this software, and it is just an amazing and crucial software for your Mac, because if you have a Mac, you use Final Cut Pro X, you use Motion, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, especially Adobe After Effects, then you should and you just definitely need this application, because Adobe After Effects creates a lot of junk files on your Mac, and this application will help you to remove all of those junk files. Let's go inside of our Mac and let's see how we can remove all of those junk files and free a ton of storage. Alright everyone, now we are inside of our Mac, and now let's go for the application, and the app is called Clean My Mac. I think you may know about the application maybe from now, but this application is very helpful. I'm using this application since I bought my MacBook Air, and it is just serving me very well, especially for cleaning every single kind of junk. It is just helping me so much. Okay, let me show you how much storage I have. Here you can see I have 66 gigabytes, something like that. All right, let me go into the about section. Storage, I have around 66.31 gigabyte, and let's try Clean My Mac X, and let's see how much of storage it can free up to. Well, 20 megabyte. I have seen like 15 gig of storage cleaning, and it is just insane. Already 4.87 gigabyte, and I cleaned my Mac like today's Friday, that means 2 days ago, and now I have 4.87 gigabyte of junk on my Mac. So you can understand that if you are not using this application, then how much of a junk you have on your Mac. So you should definitely use this application and clean all the junk. Let's run and clean. Okay, and it is just not only for cleaning your system junk, it will also search for DNS flash cache. I should not go for the technical term, but the thing is, it will help you to make your Mac feel faster, and it will also clean the RAM and run some maintenance script. I don't have any idea about that maintenance script, but other than that, everything is very well. All right, the system junk is already cleaned. 4.85 gig. What is gig exactly? What does that mean? 4.85 gigabyte is already cleaned, and here you can see 4.8 gigabyte clean. Now I have, let me show you, 68.8 gigabyte, and can you understand, it is just crazy how much of storage you can clean, and it is just a simple test. And last week I cleaned like 14 gigabytes, something like that, and those kind of junk are especially very headache making thing. I think from now you'll be able to save some space on your Mac by using the application, because it's amazing. By the way, they are not sponsoring this video. I'm just using the applications for more than 3 years, and it is just an awesome application, and I thought why not to share this application with you guys.